friends, welcome to BSS Studies. I am Bala. Today I will explain about rules of multiplication series and division series. In last video we already learnt about what is number series, types of numbers and the rules of addition and subtraction. So in this video I will explain about multiplication series and division series. So if you see here, first multiplication series. So see here the example. If they given any series, first we have to take the difference. So if you see the difference, the first these two numbers difference is 6 and these two 12 and these two 24 and these two 48. Okay, so if you see here, these four numbers follow a pattern. So if you see here pattern, we have to double the 6. If we double the 6, it becomes 12. And if we double the 12, it becomes 24. And if we double the 24, it becomes 48. And if we double the 48, the difference between these two and unknown number is 96. Okay, so like this it continues a pattern. Okay, so if we double this number, it becomes 96. So the difference between this number and unknown number is 96. So if we add 96 to this number, 95 plus 96, it becomes 191. Okay, so the unknown number is 191. Okay, so like this pattern it follows. Okay, so if you see here second example, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. So first we have to take the difference. So the difference between these two numbers is 1 and 2, 1. And 2 and 4, 2. 4 and 8, 4. 8 and 16, 8. So if you see these four numbers, it follows a pattern. So if you see, if we double this number, it becomes 2. If we double 2, double means into 2. Okay, so if we double this 2, it becomes 4. If we double this 4, it becomes 8. So if we double this 8, it becomes 16. So here the difference between this 16 and unknown number is 16. Okay, so if we add 16 plus 16, 16 plus 16, it becomes 32. Okay, so this is the next unknown number. Okay, so this is the next unknown number. So like this it follows a continuous pattern. Okay, here how these two series are multiplication series means, here we have to double the numbers, we have to double the differences. Okay, see here into 2 into 2. So if you see here also into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Here also into 2 again. Okay, so this is the multiplication series. Okay, so if you see division series, first we have to take the difference as usual. In any series, we have to take only the difference. So if you see the difference, for difference between these two numbers is, see, 4096 1024. So the difference is 2703. So 3072 is the difference. So here the difference is 3072. Okay, so the difference between these two numbers 768. Okay. So the difference between 16 and 4, 12. Okay. So if you see here, if we divide this number by 4, okay, so it becomes 768. And if I divide with this 4, this number with 4, and it become if we divide 192. Okay, it become 192. So here the difference between 256 and unknown number is 192. So first we have to take the difference between these two numbers. Okay, so then we can get the unknown number. In multiplication we added. In division we have to subtract. Okay, so here 256 minus 192. Here 1 borrowed, so 16. So 6 minus 2, 4. 1 borrowed and this is 1. 15 minus 9, 6. Okay. So the remainder or unknown number is 64. Okay. Here the unknown number is 64. Okay. And second example. In this series also we have to take only difference. So if you see here difference 1024 minus 512, 512. 512 minus 256, 256. 256 minus 128, 128. 128 minus 64, 64. And we have to take the difference between 64 and unknown number. So if we see here these four numbers, it follows division by 2, by 2, by 2, by 2. Okay. So if we divide 512 by 2, it becomes 256. 256 by 2, 128. 128 by 2, 64. So here the 64 by 2 means 32. So the difference between this 64 and unknown number is 32. Then we have to subtract 64 minus 32. It becomes 32. So the unknown number is 32. How it become? In multiplication we have to add, so we can get easily difference. In division it become decrease, so we have to subtract. Okay. So the 64 minus 32, it becomes 32. Okay. So this is the division rule. Okay. And the next series, square series. And here what is square? Here square is nothing but, here I am taking 1 is a number. Square means we have to multiply itself 2 times. 1 into 1. Itself 2 times we have to multiply. So it becomes 1. Here this 1 into 1 is written as 1 whole square. Okay, 1 whole square. Okay. So this is 1 square. So if I take 2 number, if I take 2 as a number, we have to multiply 2 times itself. 2 into 2. It becomes 4. Okay. So this 2 into 2 is written as 2 whole square. 2 whole square. So if I take 3, it becomes, we have to multiply itself 2 times. 3 into 3. So 3 into 3, 9. So this is 3 into 3 again written as 3 whole square. 3 whole square. Okay. So this is square, and if we see cube, cube means we have to multiply itself 3 times. So if I take 1, So 1 means 1 into 1 into 1. 3 times we have to multiply. So 1 into 1 into 1 means 1. The final resultant is 1. So here 1 into 1 into 1 is written as 1 whole cube. 1 whole cube. So if I take 2 as a number, we have to multiply 2 itself 3 times. So 2 into 2 into 2. So it becomes 8. So this 2 into 2 into 2 is written as 2 cube. 2 cube. Okay. So this is the squares and this is cubes. Squares means we have to multiply itself 2 times and cube means we have to multiply itself 3 times. Okay. And in square series, if we see example 49, 121, 169, question mark 361. Here they gave a series in square numbers. Here very important thing is we have to know about 1 to 30 squares. Okay, 1 to 30 number squares. Okay. And if you see here 49 means, here 49 means 7 square. Okay. Here we should not take difference because if I take here difference, there is so much difference and here there is so much difference. So we cannot say with difference. So here the 49 means 7 square and 121 means 11 square. 169 means 13 square and we have to find here. Okay, so they give 11 square, 7 square, 11 square, 13 square. Okay, so if you see here, see here alternate series. Here I am taking 361 means 19 square. Okay, so if I take alternately, I am taking only numbers, not squares. So here the difference between 7 and 13 means 6. Okay. And here the difference between 19 and 13 is 6. Alternately. One number is the gap between those two numbers. Okay. So alternately the difference is 6. So here also we have to put same logic. Okay. Here also we have to put same logic. So here 11 plus 6. 11 plus 6. It becomes 17. So 17 whole square means 289. So the unknown number is 289. I will explain again. Here alternately the difference is 6. Here also we have to take only 6 because we have to apply same logic. So here the 11 plus 6 means 17. 17 whole square 289. So the unknown number is 289. Okay. So this is square series. Okay. And cube series. Here 8 means 2 cube. 64 means 4 cube. 216 means 6 cube. And we have to find. And 1000 means 10 cube. And if you see here the logic is even numbers. 2, 4, 6 and here it comes 8 cube. Because according to the logic even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8. So here 8 cube means 512. 512. Okay. So this is the logic for cube series. Okay. So this is square series and cube series. Okay. And the next series, Fibonacci series. Here, Fibonacci series means first we have to take two digits. I am not telling telling this example. I am taking first 1, 2 as a digits. Okay. Here the Fibonacci series means first we have to take 1 plus 2. We have to add. I am taking 1, 2. So I have to add these two numbers. It becomes 3. In the next order we have to write. So we have to close this one and we have to add 2 and 3. It becomes 5. Okay. And we have to close 2 and here we have to add 3 plus 5. 8. And close 3 and we have to add these two. 5 plus 8. 13. Okay, and so on. This is a Fibonacci series. This Fibonacci series depends on first two digits which we have taken. Okay, so this is Fibonacci series. And if we say here, first question 12, 13, 25, 38. If you see here, first these two are digits. And if we add these two digits numbers, it becomes 25. And if we add these two numbers, it becomes 38. So if we add these two, we have to close these two for getting this number, and we have to add these two numbers. So 38, 25, 63. So the unknown number is 63. Okay, I'll explain again. 12, 13, 25, 38. Here if we add these two, it becomes 25. And if we add these two, it becomes 38. And if we add these two, it becomes 63. So this is a Fibonacci series. Okay. So here 25 plus 38, it becomes 63. Okay. So this is Fibonacci series. Okay. So if you see here, alternating series. Alternating series means not one after another, like this. Between two numbers, there is gap of two numbers or three numbers or one number. Okay. Here between two numbers, I am taking 2 and 4. Between these two numbers, a number is there, 29. So this is alternating series. Okay. So if you see here, 2 into 2. Okay, into 2, 2 into 2, and here 6 means 2 into 3. Okay, here 2 into 4. Okay, 2 into 4. Here 4 means 2 into 2, 6 means 2 into 3, 8 means 2 into 4. Okay, so otherwise another trick is there. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. Okay. So this is first alternating series and we have to find this number. So this alternating series is not satisfying for this number. So we have to take like this. Okay. So if we see here, 29 to 25. Here the number decreases, 29 to 25. Which means minus 4. We have to subtract minus 4 in this number. So we have to subtract minus 4. And here also we have to apply same logic. So 25 minus 4, it becomes 21. So the unknown number is 21. Okay. So this is alternating series. Okay. And the next series, mixed series. Here mixed series means all type of series will come. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, Fibonacci series, cube, squares, etc. All these in a series they will give. All these operations or rules give in a single series. So we have to find the logic and we have to do. Okay. So if you see here, 5, 7, 21, 55, question mark 25. Okay. So first we have to think one of the logic. So here 5, I am taking 5 plus 2 square minus 2. I am taking 5, I am taking first digit 5 plus 2 square minus 2, which means 5 plus 2 square means 4 minus 2. 5, 4 minus 2, 2. So here 5 plus 2 means 7. Okay. So the next number is 7. Okay. And the next number, I am rubbing this one. 7 plus, here we have to take not only 2 square minus 2. Next we have to take the next even number square, which means 4 square minus 2. Okay. In 5 plus 2 square minus 2 means first we have to take even number and the next even number 4. So 4 square minus 2. So 7 plus 4 square 16 minus 2. 7 plus 16 minus 2 14. So it become 21. It become 21 next number. And same rule, and we have to for getting 55, 21 plus bracket 6 square, we have to take 6 square, 2, 4, 6 even numbers. 6 square minus 2, we can get the 55. Okay. And we have to find the unknown number. Unknown number means we have to take 55 plus, here we have taken 6 square and we have to take here 8 square. Okay, 8 square. So here 55 plus 8 square means 64 minus 2. So here 55 plus 64 minus 2 means 62. It become 117. Okay, so the unknown number is 117. Okay, so this is the mixed series for this question. So like this we have to think the logic. Think the logic. And we have to apply for the same numbers. Okay. So these are the rules in number series. And today our topic is completed. ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే ప్లీజ్ లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. If you have any doubts, please comment on the comment box. Thank you.